Norman Lookout.
I'll have to go fishing random.
Even like that big rock out there, like I have never seen just a random rock in the middle of the water like that.
And it's so nice and blue.
I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good.
So we ended up going way past where we were meant to go to Big Drift. So we've ended up down the bottom of the isle, like the cove. But we're actually glad we came down and up down the bottom. Wow, the tide's out.
Never trust a man in shoes on the beach.
Oh jeez, look at these runners. Whoa, that's cool. Alright guys, so these are currently the waves that are happening. And that guy just there is on a surfboard. I'm not really sure what he's aiming to ride, but anyway, good luck to him. How you been?
So many people. I'd fly the drone over here if I looked at that thing.
Yeah, we just went and felt the water. It is so warm. I was expecting the water down here to be pretty cold, but
freezing compared
actually
to
pretty
home.
nice. Oh my god, there's someone on a bike. On his push bike.
Ding ding.
Shows how hard the sand is when you can ride a push bike. Like, it actually looks pretty cool. Look at that. What way are we gonna go?
I'll go to the young area, then we'll go to the beach. Lovely, eh?
I love the rocks.
Like catch one of the fishes sitting next to it.
So after we worked out where it is, welcome to Stockyards. That's a pretty cool little building over there. But we're going to head down to Big Drift. So 2k, 40 minutes. It said 40 minutes each way, but we'll see how we go and how long it takes us. But we did get lost before, because when we first came in, the entrance to the national park sort of area is where
the Big Drift is right at the beach.
Where the Big Drift actually is, but it's on the right hand side.
The Big Drift walking trail, not
the Big Drift, because it'll take you down to the bottom where we went.
Of the park.
So That's why we got a little bit confused, but...
What? We've made it here? We have to walk there.
Hopefully it's...
As good as it sounds.
Yeah. We'll catch us there.
We'll have to get the drone up.
We didn't get very far in, and Will said, look, there's a beehive.
Oh, honey came in there. Like a bite of that, but I won't like a bite off the bees.
A bit further into the walk. My God, I sound like I'm dying, but...
Look up and down, dude. That's a big one, yeah?
It's like gotten to sand. We've come across sand. Just through there. So not too far. Oh yeah. Oh, that sand's warm. Got my Crocs and it's coming through the little holes. Hey? Yeah, I know. My choice of shoes today have not been ideal. I went from thongs to Crocs. And I probably should have had my Brooks on. Like Will. Let's see what it looks like when we get to the other. Oh my God. Okay, I'm scared of anything that makes a noise in the bush.
Oh, here we go.
Here's the climb.
That hill is terrible. So that hill's terrible. It's so soft. Nearly there. One step forward, two steps back. So slippery, soft.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, no, this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, some loose shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah, there's no no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind.
Heading back to the car, so we'll catch you guys in a little bit.
Anything interesting happens, we'll let you know.
So we'll let you know.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you sing along, trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid.